I hope that what you've heard here tonight doesn't fill you with too much despair. Despite what you've heard, there is an alternative to the Westminster consensus in favour of more cuts. Austerity is not inevitable, it's a choice. We can have a future where everyone has access to decent public services, where everyone can have a decent standard of living, but not if we keep doing things the way we always have done. For a stronger, more prosperous, greener Wales, for a Wales that counts, for a devolution and financial settlement that is no longer second-rate, give your vote to Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales. For Wales to be strong, like Scotland, Plaid Cymru must be strong. The more strength you give us, the greater influence we will have. Let us be the success we know we can be. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.